Just a heads up, your wristbands. It's your free admission into Billy Bob's, as well as a discount at the restaurant and the gift shop. Also, you know,
So Clint. You can see Clint. Gotcha.
Categories. As we got several awesome cars. And once again, y'all, your wristbands for participating in the car show does get you free admission into Billy Bob's, as well as a discount in the restaurant, as well as the gift shop, and we will begin the award ceremony at 1:30. We got plenty of awesome cars. We got plenty of awesome drivers. And once again, y'all, thanks for coming out and hanging out with us. We hope you had this happy time.
It's a cute dog.
Thanks.
I remember seeing this one. That's sad. Dang, got the switch.
And there's another pussy here.
We got the little damn. Dang, that was sweet. That's
$5 entry, couple of free.